Hi guys, my name is Lee and I am half German, half American, and I live in Germany. So if you are interested to learn some German meals, I'm happy to show them to you. And if you stick until the end of the video, I will teach you some German as well. That's the plan for the next episodes as well. And of course, it's always a very important sentence. So if you stick to my channel, you will learn a lot of German. I looked it up. The currywurst is really a German invention. So let's start. So please start by reducing about 50 ounces of cola. You may use Coca-Cola or Pepsi or whatever, it doesn't matter. And then apple sauce, that's about 20 tablespoons. I think I use a little more. Then try to get all the ketchup out of 2 bottles of ketchup and just take plastic ones because the glass ones are very stubborn and I had some problems with them. Yeah, I managed to do that. Worcester sauce, about 6 tablespoons. I think I took a little less, but just do it as you like. After that, yeah, the Worcester sauce, right. After that, there comes the Tabasco. And just, if you like it hot, just put a little more in. I'm cooking for children, so they don't like it very hot. 1 whole lime goes in, squeezed. And I didn't manage to film that because you will have to push it. Then I used herb salt or salt with herbs in it. You may use table salt as well and just kosher salt or whatever. And it's always a good idea just to taste the sauce. And if you like to thicken it up a little, just take a little potato starch and put it in cold water and just boil it up once more so you get a little thicker sauce. You have to think of the sausages as well because the sauce on its own is not enough. And I have my potatoes in the oven and I have a salad. Oh yeah, we forgot the most important ingredient, the curry powder. So just, yeah, put it in there. It's about, the recipe calls for about 6 tablespoons of curry powder. And I think the first batch was about 3 tablespoons, so I decided to put some more in. You will see that in a second. Yeah, here it comes. Yeah, I think, is that 3 tablespoons? Well, so. But I can tell you the sauce was yummy. And so it really doesn't matter if it was 5 tablespoons or 4, whatever. The most important part is that it's yummy. That is really awesome that you stick right to the end of the video. And as I promised, you will learn a sentence in German. Entschuldigen Sie bitte, welches Restaurant können Sie empfehlen? Entschuldigen Sie bitte, welches Restaurant können Sie empfehlen? Translated in English, it means, excuse me, which restaurant could you recommend? Entschuldigen Sie bitte, welches Restaurant können Sie empfehlen? And of course, the German sentence, as well as the recipe, you will find in the info box beneath this video. So just let me know how it worked out, your currywurst. And please tell me if you have a certain meal that you would like to cook or you would like to learn more about. The currywurst is not sausage just topped with curry. It is a sauce based on actually ketchup And well, let's jump into the recipe. Let's jump into the recipe. Let's jump into the recipe and give, what's it called? If you subscribe to my channel, and I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel down there somewhere. Thanks in advance, and let's cook a currywurst.